Alright, so week 3, new year, new you, total body, kind of going with this whole birds of prey theme for some reason. And so today we're going to just be uncaged, cannot be tamed. So starting off, nice plie squat, feeling nice and fierce. You're going to go ahead and come into like a curl as you come into the plie. So knees are not going to go forward. You're going to make sure they're tracing over the toes. And it can be shallow or you can go deep, however you want. But at the same time, you're going to curl up and then you're going to punch to one side and then the other. Nice torso twist, and you're not doing like little girly punches that are going to throw you off and hurt yourselves with the weight, but really just twist the whole body, throwing the shoulders into it, and then you're going to stand up. We're going to curl down. This is set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, see what my count is, we're going 15, 7, 8, 9, ooh, starting to feel it in the shoulders here, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, weights are really starting to be intense, 15, last one, keep going, and coming up. We're going to heel toe back together, coming into a nice deep squat as we place the weights to the sides, and this time we're going to twist up, curl to the left, and then come back down, and curling to the right. So, 3, 10, we're halfway there, 11, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Whew, feeling nice and strong and fierce. Okay, coming to both feet together, staying nice and straight. You're going to bring the palms out as well as bring one leg back. So play on the warrior. If the weights are too much, you can do it without it and just raising one leg at a time. We're just going to do 7 on each side, so 14 total. Keep it nice and easy on the shoulders. Starting off with the right leg for 1, 6, and 7. See, nice and short and easy. And we're there. Whew, feeling good. Alright, so we have one more with the weights, and then we're going to come down to the mat. So coming to a nice single leg deadlift. Again, you can do like what we did in the couch yoga video, where you just have prayer palms and come down with your palms on each side, or you can use the weights. Starting with the right leg, we can trace them down. Really kick this left leg back, help gain your balance, and gently come back up. Keep that right knee nice and soft. Keep looking at something steady in front of you. So 2, and if you need to, 8, so you can keep this toe down the whole time, like this, 9, 10, and you still feel it in the back of the leg, 11, 14, and 15. This one plays with your balance so much, so it's okay if you're wobbly, just keep going, don't beat yourselves up. So going with this left leg here, And we're at 10 already. So final 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Coming up, place your weights down anywhere. And you're just going to go ahead and come down to the mat. Hop or step back. And coming to 3 chaturangas. You can do it on the knees again if you want. So 1, 2, and 3. And from here, we're going to go just do a nice chaturanga flow. So lowering all the way down, coming to up dog or cobra. And coming to another chaturanga hold. Really get that strength in the arms and the abs as you come to down dog. So 2, 3, 4, and 5. Whew. Feel on the last one. Oh my goodness. So reaching the right leg up, step it through, planting the left foot down, reach up to warrior 1. And come to a nice reverse warrior. Stretch it out. Come back to that warrior 1. And coming down to a revolving warrior. And just reach out to your side plank. And then reaching the right leg up and down for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Coming back down, chaturanga flow. And left leg up and through. It's a nice warrior. Reversing it out. Back to warrior 1. And coming down, side warrior. And find your plank. Drop down to the knee if you want. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. One more flow here. Whew. And you're done. Feeling nice and fierce this week. Doing a great job. And just, 5 more weeks to go? 4 or 5? I don't know. Delirious. Get some water. Have some coconut water. Have some protein. Have some bananas to start feeling good. Feeling recharged. Thank you so much. Namaste.